Beauty and the Beast in a village in France. There lived an old saint named Maurice. He lived with his daughter named Belle. Belle was the most beautiful girl in the village, so that ferrymen in village loved her very much. Including Gaston, he was a much feared man in the village. Belle was very happy to sing and read. She always spends his time in the library to read books. To read books. Her favorite books was one of the frightfully about a prince who is cursed. Is cursed. One day Maurice went out of the city along with his horse named Philip. However, in the middle of the trip, they got lost and were attacked by a wild pigs. Philip's well scared, so he jumped very high. Maurice who is in his scholar was feeling while Philip's page. Maurice was fear. He ran almost. Then he afraid at a very old cult. It looked very creepy, but the styles and enter the old cult. The cult was accompanied by a monster named Beast and resides who were strange objects which were live. Then Maurice was arrested and put in prison. Philip, who managed to escape from the wolf, returned to the house. Billy was frightened because Maurice was not come back with Philip. She immediately, she immediately looked for his father in the woods alone. Billy screamed in the woods until she arrived at an old at an at an old site. She entered the cult and found her father held there. When Bell entered, when Bell entered the cult, all the inmates of the cult were very happy. They drove Bell to her father. The beast knew it and became angry with Bravenous. Bell was offered help to replace her father, who was arrested if the release her father finally Bates released Maurice, but Bell stayed in the cult. At which Bell described Bates who was right and grime. Even Bell tried to escape from the cult because Bates school her Bell who escaped from the cult was educated by wolves in the jungle, but she was saved by Bates that went up with her. Bates got injured in a fight with the wolves. Then he brought Belle back to the police. After arriving at the police, Belle brought the phone Bates day after they peace relationship between Bates and Belle were better. They become afraid and infinitely well love each other. However, Bates was afraid to express his love. He was afraid of Belle, will erase him because he was a monster at the time when Beast wants to confess his feelings. Belle saw her father was sick through the magic mirror. She, she asked the Beast to meet his father with unfleas. Beast let her go. Once Belle ran near to the village, Belle was forced to marry Gaston, but Belle rejected it. Gaston knew that Belle had fallen in love with a monster in the cars in the woods. Belle and her father were imprisoned in the basement at Belle's home. Gaston invited all the village to edge the cars and flee. The companions he said that they were fairy daggers and the cats should be destroyed. Enraged, who had insisted by Gaston agreed. They went to the cats to hand beds, but Belle and Maurice managed to escape from the beds. They impaled went to the cats. Gaston and the village had managed to enter the class. They escorted all of all all of inhabitants of the Cannes beach, who was angry at escaped Gaston. But when he would clean Gaston, the beach did not continue its cans and released him. However, Gaston stamped the beach from the back, and that time Belle came and saw the beach, who was every injured since Belle came back become ancient back. Gaston tried to ask him back. However, Bates did not give Gaston fell from the top of the castle and died. Bates was seriously injured and no longer able to surface, just as the last strands of magic Roseville Bates stopping breathing Bell was crying hysterical. She shot and said the love she loved the Bates suddenly a marriage a country the course on the cards despite the scare justly was from into a beautiful place. All its inmates turned into homes, and the beds turned back into a handsome and dressing prince. The cars was gone because of Belle's sincere love to Bess. Finally, Bess and Belle married and live happy ever after.